Okay, now I am back. I've been struggling with this camera holder thingy. I am so sorry about that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really small as well, but yeah, it's pretty. And this is the photo book. Let me open it. Here's the photo album. Oh my gosh, they look so freaking good. Oh my god, I love V's hair. It looks really better on him, but this hair of Suga is kind of like interesting, but it looks good on him. Of course, we got Jimin Cook. I don't know how you say the ship thingy, but I personally love this picture of them. I love his cute face, it's so cute. And we have Jimin and Jungkook. I think that's Jungkook on a tiny picture, which I'm pretty sure because it has purple hair. Wow. They look, oh my god, J-Hope. He really kills this outfit. I love it. He looks so pretty. I love him. Yes, Jin, with my handsome. Work it. They look so pretty. What the hell? Sugar. I just love how they like have different hair color styles. It's pretty awesome. And this is like literally me struggling to eat. Look at his chubby cheeks. So cute. They look really awesome on those outfits. Honestly, I love this hairstyle of Jimmy. It looks way better on him. It brings me like the 2013 vibes, mostly. They look really good. I love it. Oh my god, my another bias, RM. Oh, he looks so good. Yes. Oh my god, this is my favorite picture of Jungkook. He looks so good on this. Even though all of them look really good. I love them. This looks really good. Here's Jimin. Wow. Jin. I love his hair like that. It looks really good. Jungkook. Yes. Oh my god, this is everything. I love how his tattoo shows. That's pretty awesome. I love his hair. It's pretty. And he looks so good. Oops. Sugar. They look amazing. I love this version of the Butter album, but I love the other one as well. It's like a beach style. That's really awesome. Oh my god, the poster